Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are currently making slime. So as you can see, we have Elmer's clear glue. We just started. So if you have any Elmer's washable clear glue like that type, use it. So we're putting in the first batch of it right now. After you've added one bottle of glue, you add some of this. I mean, you don't have to, but I mean, it makes it look better. Okay, so they're adding in the silver blue color right now, and it looks pretty good already, kind of.
Yeah, it just looks like. Can you get me a mixing stick?
Oh no! No!
I'll pick it up somehow.
And where's the mixing stick? Oh no, problem, they spilt it. Oh my god. Oh no, this is going to be a catastrophe.
Nah, we'll be fine. It's only a little bit spilt.
Oh no, I didn't...
Okay, I'll grab you a mixing stick from somewhere.
I'm just going to put this somewhere.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
What?
What just happened?
Oh my god, you were shouting at an ant for... Oh my god. Okay, we'll see you after the ad break then. Okay, so here we have this. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. It's so satisfying. Okay, so we've put in the glue, the silver, and the blue, and now they're mixing it up into this paste. Oh, there. It looks like slime already. Good job. So apparently you add in a little bit of this stuff, just mix it up, add in more, mix it up, and I think that's the slime done. We're almost done the slime. So you add in the glue, the glitter, and then you add in that liquid that comes with it. Making slime is so simple.
It's starting to come together, Marty.
The slime is starting to come together. Oh my god.
This is like the most exciting bit of making slime.
Oh my god.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
I reckon we need to like.
Yeah, just maybe start playing with your hands soon.
No, it's too sticky. Add a bit more.
Oh my god. I'm just getting so excited across this. If you keep on persevering, you will make the slime eventually.
Yep.
What's the difference between fluffy slime and slime?
Oh, because fluffy slime's kind of like fluffy. I don't know how to explain it. It's
Fluffy
like,
slime has got
creamy
air in it.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that
It's like
difference.
creamy and airy, and this is like sticky. Like not sticky.
Scumbag.
No, he's a scumbag! He's an absolute scumbag!
Oh my god, it's actually slime now. Why did slime become so popular?
Because it's cool.
It is cool. It's satisfying. If you are OCD like Marty is, it's perfect.
Marty is not OCD.
Just tactile.
Oh my god. Now the kneading process starts. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, it's crunchy.
I can hear the bubble popping sounds of the slime.
Yeah, it's still too sticky.
Okay.
I need to add some more borax.
Then why didn't you just add more borax?
Not borax, activator.
Then why didn't you just add more activator?
It's Marty's choice.
I haven't. This will be the first time it'll work because you've tried making slime in the past, but it just never worked. Like you tried for a couple of days once, And you really did try, but then I remember you got a bit sad and it didn't work out. But I think it is going to work this time.
It definitely will work.
Thank you. We are almost finished the slime. Okay, so sorry that I kind of cut away there. So basically, after you've put in the glue, the glitter, and the activator, you can probably buy like a slime kit in your local warehouse or something. Once you've mixed all that together, just knead it for like 10 to 30 minutes. And there is your slime. I just wanted to keep this video as short as possible because my watch time is quite low, and also brief tutorials is pretty good. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button and remember to subscribe.